In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again with a done-for-you business in a box, and you get to keep 100% of the profit because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, which means you don't earn tiny commissions and you don't have to split your commissions with anybody else. To do this, all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day. You don't need any experience because we show you how to do everything step by step. And you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to cold message strangers, and you don't have to bother your friends and family. All you need to do is set up your business one time. You can set up this business in about 2 days, and then you plug into our community for training and support. You get daily millionaire mentoring, plus you get live interactive mentoring from 6- and 7-figure income earners 2 to 3 times a week. And yeah, we show you how to build your business step by step. So then once you get your business set up, you're just following a 2-hour workday. So basically all you got to do every day is what I do. You just post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Okay, it's attraction marketing. You're building your email list. You can also go live to attract people and build your email list. And then the automations are doing the rest of the work for you. So that's pretty much all you got to do. So if you want to learn more about this, just go to 7figuremonk.com. Okay, there's a link in my bio. Okay, just a little disclaimer, like, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort. Everything in life is based on your effort. So don't be typical. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a legitimate business. Okay, like any business, it's e-commerce. You're selling things online. It's a legitimate business that requires, like legitimate effort. You got to take action, right? Just like anything. Okay, so now let me just share my screen with you. Oh, and if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I just help people, I help everyday men and women make 7 figures online around their schedule without having to work a job. Okay, so that's me. And just let me know where you're watching from, drop it in the comments. And if you have any questions at any time, just let me know, because I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you, build your business and make as much money as possible so you can live a life of freedom. That's my mission when it comes to like business. Like my mission is to help create, I want to create 1,000 self-made millionaires. Okay, so now let me share my screen with you. Let me show you how this business works. So when you get started with this business, we give you like a done for you sales funnel. Okay, so you're gonna have a template, so you can have, this is called a capture page. Okay, so you're gonna have this different template, and you can just put your picture in, like I put my picture in, or you can use faceless if you want to use faceless. And this is a capture page, right? So this is the beginning of your sales funnel that we give you. So what happens is people go here, they put their email in. Okay, when they go to your link, like when you're marketing your business and they go to your link and they put their email in, what happens is you're building your email list. Okay, and then once they put their email in, they're going to go to the next page. There's 4 pages that we give you. Okay, now it's this page. Now this is like a thank you page. Okay, they're going to watch a video like this. Now my video is a little bit different than your video, but like they're going to watch a video. Okay, now the video is going to be doing the selling for you. Okay, so there's going to be 2 videos, and the video is created by like a self-made millionaire who's made $10 million in like 3 years with digital marketing. So you're going to have a millionaire doing the selling for you, right? So they're going to have one video here, and then they go to the next page. There's another video. Okay, so there's 2 videos that they're going to watch, and these 2 videos are going to answer 99% of the questions that people will have. Okay, now if they have more questions after watching this video, or if you have more questions after watching these videos, all you got to do and all they need to do is reply to your emails. Okay, so if you have any questions, like just reply to my emails. Okay, so this is the video, right? And you see how there's a button here, like they'll click on this button and it will take them to your website. Okay, which is the next page. So here's the website, and this is like everything's already created for you. This is all finished. Like this is like, you can edit it if you want. If you want to change colors, you want to change the wording, you can do that, but you don't have to. It's up to you. But like you're gonna have, like, this is a done for you business in a box. Okay, so what do we sell? We sell these programs right here. These are educational programs in the e-learning industry. It's $1 billion a day industry. Okay, when you think of like the e-learning industry, you can look it up, check it out. E-learning industry, it's $1 billion a day industry basically. So what does that include? Programs, courses, ebooks, training, information, education. Okay, so what do these programs teach you? They teach you how to build an online business. They teach you digital marketing, and they teach you how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways. Okay, so there's 10 different programs, right? Unlock 10 income streams and earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business. Okay, so there's 10 income streams. There's 5 in English and there's 5 in Spanish. This business is also in Spanish, which just means you can get more customers. You can get Spanish speaking customers, you can get English speaking customers. Okay, and our top product, it sells for $1,400. So that means you can earn $100, $300, $600, and $900 and $1,400 commissions over and over again with a done for you digital business in a box. So like they'll go here, there's different payment buttons, like they'll go here, they'll purchase one of the programs, okay? And as soon as they purchase a program, you get paid instantly through your payment processor. All you got to do is attach your payment processor to the website, and there you go, okay? And we show you how to set it all up too. Like we show you how to set up these pages. Yeah, there's actually a training for that. Let me show you. I forgot to open that up. Let me open that up real quick. Yeah, so show you that how that works. So basically, yeah, this is what your website's going to look like. Done for you website. Would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? Now do the math on that. If you learn how to attract a daily paying customer at $1,400, that's an extra $42,000 a month and an extra $511,000 a year. Now imagine what kind of life you can live with that kind of income coming in. You might as well go for it, you know, right? You might as well try, because like if you, let's say you try this business, the worst case scenario, it's a one-time investment. You spend a little bit of money that you're going to spend regardless. You're going to spend this money regardless. So it's a one-time investment. And so either like you're going to spend a little bit of money, worst case scenario, you spend a little bit of money and you learn something new. Okay. Best case scenario, you go on to make 6 and 7 figures and you're living a life of complete freedom. You're living your dream life. I would focus on that part. I would focus on the positive, right? Why focus on the negative when you can focus on the positive? That's what I would do. I mean, I don't know. That's what I would do. Okay. So we got 56,000 plus members in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. So like $29 million in sales was paid out to our community. Okay. Because there's other people marketing this business, right? So like whoever's marketing this business, whoever gets a sale, it's paid out to the community, $29 million in 10 months. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. And you get to keep 100% of the profits. And we have a certification training that you can go through so you become a licensed reseller. Okay. The program's in English and in Spanish. We teach you how to use AI to build your business. There's testimonies on the website. This is your bio section. All you got to do is put your picture in. Okay, put your bio in. Okay, we're going to show you how to set this up. You can change the pictures. You can change the wordings. If you don't want to show your face on your website, you don't have to show your face. It's all up to you. And this is pretty much what the website looks like. So they can go and they can purchase the 1,400, the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. Now, if they purchase the 1,400, then like if you purchase that, like it's a one-time investment to start this business, you purchase one of the programs, right? So if you purchase a $1,400 program, you get 10 income streams. So you can earn 1,400, 900, 600, 300, and 100 English and Spanish. Now, let's say you only start at the $100 level. Well, then you only get one income stream. You can only earn at the level that you're at. Okay. So if you're at the $100 level, you can only earn $100 commissions, but you can always upgrade later. Okay. You just have to pay the price difference. So you can start at a lower level and you can upgrade later. And there's also installment plans for you or your customers. So it's super affordable to get started, right? Like the 3 reasons people don't start a business, usually they say they don't have money, but it's super affordable. They say they don't have time. We teach you how to work like 2 hours around your schedule. They say they don't know what to do. Well, we show you what to do. So like, those are the 3 reasons why people don't start a business. And they're not really good reasons. They're just kind of like, they just don't have a strong enough desire, honestly. Okay. And then the bonuses, you get all these bonuses, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Like you get access to our community for free. This is where you get daily millionaire mentoring, weekly millionaire mentoring, interactive millionaire mentoring. Okay. And then we got all these other things, like you get to learn how to create your own community and monetize it. You get to learn how to create content with Canva. My first million in 17 months blueprint from my friend and mentor, Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan to help you market this business. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas if you want to create your own product and market those. Okay. And then basically everything you learn about this, like how to build a business, marketing, all the stuff that you're going to learn, you can use for any business in the future, which is cool. Okay. Like these are high income skills that you can use for the rest of your life. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. Like whatever you learn from this, you can use it to promote anything. Okay. So let's say you get started, you purchase a program, then you're going to go into your program, and this is where you access the program. Okay. So the program itself teaches you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. So you're going to learn different things. Like if you go to the phase 1, for example, this is the kind of stuff you're going to learn. Like the phase 1 is CEO mindset and clarity. Okay, it's like lifestyle, desired income. What's your desired result? You need to have a vision. You need to know how much money you want to make and why. Okay, then you need to know how to develop your mindset, your brand, what you want to be known for, your income earning activities. Okay, like the 2-hour workday, posting content, going live, posting free ads. Those are the income earning activities. And yeah, this is the kind of stuff you're going to learn. Okay, that's just phase 1. Okay, there's like 6 phases, plus there's live training replays. Okay, you're going to learn a lot of stuff. And all this is going to do is help you make 6 and 7 figures online through, digital marketing, right? Then your certification training is here, your bonuses are here, and your website setup. So like if you want to resell the programs and make money, you got to set up your website, and we show you how to set it up. Okay, you're setting up these pages, these 4 pages. That's what you're setting up. It took me a few hours to set up, so it's not that difficult. Okay. All right. And yeah, so here is like what you got to do is just basically it shows you, just watch these videos. It shows you how to set everything up. So yeah, you go here, you get your account set up that you need, right? Then you got to go to GoDaddy. You got to get a domain. Like your domain is like your brand. I would, if I was you, I would just use your name. Like I could do danbellin.com. I went with 7-Figure Monk because I used to be a monk. So I made that my brand, but I would just do your name or something like that. You know, that's pretty good because you're building your brand here. Like you can do your name or you can do something else. ChatGPT can help you create ideas. Then you got to attach your payment gateways. Okay, we show you how to do that. And then basically you just got to set up the pages. You got to watch the videos. It's going to show you how to connect everything. And then once you're finished, you're going to have your website set up, and it's going to look like this. Your sales funnel, your website, everything will look like this. Okay, so that's your program. Your products are here inside of Kajabi. And then if you go into, let me show you the community. Okay, so here's our community. We got 57,000 people in our community right now. Like around 100 people are joining us every day. So that's proof that this business works. Because the only way you can join our community is if you purchase one of the programs. That means over 57,000 people have purchased one of the programs because somebody like me is marketing the program, right? So there we go. And yeah. And let's go here. So like once you're inside of the community, you can introduce yourself. You can post questions. You can ask questions. You can post whatever you want to post. Okay. And if you go into the win section, I'll show you proof right now that people are making money. Let me show you proof. Right. So let me show you. See, people post whatever they want to post. Like she made $100, right? $100 while she was at her job, 9-to-5 job. So you can build this business around your job. So it's really a no-brainer. Like if you want to make some extra income, maybe you don't like your job, maybe you want to quit your job. Well, this is a way to quit your job. Maybe you like your job, you just want to make some extra money. This is good. You know, so it works for anybody. It doesn't matter. You can do it around your schedule. So boom, boom, boom. Look, first $900. I'm thrilled. I'm blessed. I'm extremely grateful. Wesley made his first 900. Okay. Let's see some more. Another $100 on my way to the hospital. So this is real-time proof. You can see she just made $600, my first win. And we have like, there's 30 posts per page and there's 30,000 pages of wins. So there's a lot of wins. Okay. So that's just from one page. That's the most recent wins. And you can see people are making money in real time. So if you go into the classroom, we get bonus training. So not only do you get training inside of the program, but you get training inside of the classroom too. Like getting started here, this kind of breaks down how everything works in more detail. We have these 90-day runs that we teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. So you're going to get a daily training from a millionaire. Okay. And yeah, we got the mentoring Zoom replays are here. We have all these mindset training, content training, social media training, 6 figures in 6 months training, all this training. Okay. So you got an abundance of training, right? And yeah, and the calendar shows you the live events that we're having. Like we have a millionaire mentoring call coming up. Automate visibility instantly. We got that going on. We got mindset training on Thursday. Okay, so there you go. So I basically showed you everything. If you want to get started, just go to 7figuremonk.com. You can check everything out for yourself. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And like I said, all you got to do is get started, set up your business, and then you're following a 2-hour workday. You're just posting content on social media, attraction marketing. You're building your email list. And then the automations are doing the rest of the work for you. So like, for example, let me just show you my YouTube channel. Like I use my YouTube channel to promote this business. Okay. So I create long form videos, okay, promoting this business. Plus I teach people how to do marketing and I teach people mindset stuff as well. So I create these different long form videos like the one I'm doing right now. And then I do short form videos that are mostly like promoting this business. Okay. I do all these short form videos, like little talking videos, little 7-second videos. And then like I do lives, like I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok simultaneously. My lives are recorded. Okay. And then I do like some posts like this, you know, like just some posts, some value posts, nothing about my business, you know, just posts. I do posts like that, written posts, sometimes about business, sometimes not. And that's pretty much it. Like you want to do some posts about like value, some posts business, right? I think they usually say like, you know, 30% of your posts should be about your business and like 70% should be like value posts, not about your business, just giving like people tips, like marketing tips, mindset tips, stuff like that. Okay. So I showed you everything. You have any questions, just drop it in the comments, and just go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com, to learn more. Make sure you like the video, share this video with someone who needs it, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, because I have all kinds of marketing tips, marketing training, mindset tips, and you can see how I promote the business as well. All right, so have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.